How to fix Windows cannot run disk checking on this volume. 1. Run chkdske:/f/r/x command as admin. 2. Remove write protection via diskpart command. Commands include diskpart list disk select disk number attributes disk clear read only 3. 3.1 set 0 to the write protect key at @h_local_machine /system /current control set /control /storage device policies in registry editor. 3.2 set 0 to storage device policies dword at @h_local_machine /system /current control set /control in registry editor. 4. Run error checking. 5. Format the volume via disk management, disk.msc.